For the third consecutive quarter, our company achieved GAAP profitability and again maintained a GAAP operating income in Q2. This is a testament to our steadfast focus and commitment to delivering results and impact for our partners, all while innovating against the AI opportunities ahead. Last quarter, we hosted AIPCon, which convened over 150 unique organizations as we formally launched our new AIP product offering, and customers demonstrated how we're partnering with them to unlock the value of AI. For example, Jacobs Engineering highlighted how AIP is enabling them to monitor current system conditions and conduct future infrastructure planning in real time versus the months of analysis it would have taken previously. Similarly, J.D. Power's Chief Digital and Technology Officer asserted that the advantage comes not from the AI models you can build, but rather how you apply them to the data you have and deploy it into applications. This is where true value is created for our customers and where we stand poised to help. The CEO of Novartis was recently interviewed on CNBC discussing our partnership, in which we created an integrated data lake that they are now leveraging to move AI forward quickly within the company, which the CEO calls Novartis's, quote, fundamental advantage over its peers. We launched AIP just 10 weeks ago, and already we're seeing unprecedented inbound interest. AIP is also opening expansion conversations with our largest, longest tenured customers, as the new capabilities are causing them to reimagine how they can use our software. Looking at both existing and new customers, AIP is the solution for organizations who want to wield LLMs securely in their enterprise. We remain focused on aggressively capitalizing on this momentum by driving compounding growth of AIP usage. As this fast-moving market evolves and expands, so too will we. And it's just the beginning. This increasing demand will be incremental to the results you see today. Our U.S. commercial business continues to deliver outsized results. With our rapidly growing customer count, we are seeing the beginning of the network effects in the segment, whether at events like AIPCon, through direct customer referrals to their network, or by leaders working with us in one organization, taking us with them to their next one. We expect the expansion effect to be multiplicative. At the same time, we're seeing success across many different industries. In Q2, we closed deals in U.S. commercial in roughly 30 different industries, including across pharmaceuticals, energy, consumer staples, utilities, healthcare, construction, automotive, transportation infrastructure. The list goes on and spans industries and institutions at the core of today's society. While we see the breadth of our software spanning industries, we still have immense opportunity for growth, both through expansion within these industries and growth in our existing customer relationships. For example, we're beginning to see this growth come to fruition in both healthcare and transportation, which grew 93% and 129% year over year, respectively. Foundry is being used at numerous healthcare facilities to generate nurse schedules and forecast patient placements, among other applications. For example, with Foundry, HCA now generates nurse schedules in 1 hour each month instead of 10 to 20. Tampa General has seen a 28% reduction in patient hold times and has reduced the time spent managing patient placements by 83%. And Cleveland Clinic has been able to accept an 8.5% increase in patient transfers from other hospitals in just 4 months since launch. While we continue to increase our breadth and expansion across industries, we also continue to grow at our existing customers. We had over 24 U.S. commercial customers that brought in more than $1 million in revenue each during last quarter alone. And we're seeing outsized growth from our newest customers. 54% of the U.S. commercial revenue, excluding strategic commercial contracts, is from customers that have started since the beginning of 2021, with nearly all of the year-over-year growth coming from those same customers. We expect this trend to continue. We are investing in pockets of momentum within our international commercial business, such as Japan, Korea, Canada, and the Middle East, among other targeted opportunities across the world. For example, through our go-to-market partnership, Fujitsu has seen recent success onboarding 8 new large-cap household name Japanese customers. At the same time, we are seeing AIP lead to expansion conversations with our largest, long-standing customers in Europe, all against the challenging backdrop of today's climate. On the international government side, our UK government business was particularly strong in Q2 as a result of our work with organizations such as the NHS and UK Ministry of Defense, including the Royal Navy. Within our U.S. government business, While the revenue results in Q2 are disappointing, they belie the long-term strength of our business. We remain focused on converting significant deals in the pipeline and growing existing contracts through which we are core to the government mission. In Q2, we secured a multi-year contract award from the U.S. Special Operations Command worth up to $463 million, new contract awards for the Air and Space Forces of $110 million, and conversion of Army Research Lab R&D funding to longer-term work with COCOMs, starting with CENTCOM. We believe in the criticality and meaningful impact our work is having in today's world events and its eventual monetization, as well as the exceptional user impact we deliver. At the same time, our U.S. government business can be lumpy, and we continue to expect there to be near-term uncertainty around timing of contract awards. Turning back to the overall business, we are excited about our vast opportunities in the quarters ahead. We're already seeing that AIP will be transformational for our customers and for our business. We look forward to continuing innovating at the forefront through this revolution. Lastly, on the back of our inaugural AIPCon in Q2, we're excited to share that we're hosting 2 additional events, the next AIPCon on September 14th and a new event, the Software for Government S4G Summit on September 21st, which is specifically designed for our government customers. We look forward to sharing a recap of the events with you at future calls. I'll now turn it over to Shyam.